It is midnight, and the dark backyard is very quiet now.
I love sleeping inside our big blue tent tonight, Dad.
Camping in the backyard garden is a lot of fun.
Did you hear a strange rustling sound outside the tent?
Let us listen very closely to the quiet, dark night.
The strange sound is becoming a low growling noise now.
There is definitely a peculiar noise in the dark yard.
I feel a little bit anxious about that weird noise.
Do not worry, because we are safe inside the tent.
The scary growling noise is getting much louder now, Dad.
That noise sounds like a very big, angry animal outside.
Look at that massive, terrifying silhouette on the blue canvas.
A giant shadow is growing on our tent fabric wall.
Is there a real scary backyard monster outside our tent?
We must find a way to check the dark yard.
The big monster shadow is blocking all the pretty moonlight.
I need to find a tool to see in dark. I found my bright yellow plastic flashlight on the floor. This strong beam of white light will help us see.
Please use the bright light to check the dark yard.
I am crawling to the silver entryway zipper right now. I will open the blue tent door very slowly today. Let us shine the white light directly at the shadow.
There you are, Buster!
Look, because the scary backyard monster is just our dog.
Oh, wow! It is Buster walking through the tree shadow.
The scary backyard monster situation is completely solved now, boys.
I feel totally relieved that it is just our puppy. You are a very good and playful brown family dog.
Buster was just walking outside in the cool night air. Shadows can look very big and scary in the dark.
We should not get scared of dark shapes so quickly.
Always use your bright flashlight to look for real facts.
Finding the real facts helps us stay calm at night.
Let us go back inside our secure blue family tent. Look for facts with your flashlight before you get scared of dark shadows.
The bright family bathroom is very warm and nice this morning. I am still very sleepy for the big school morning race. My heavy eyes want to close right now because I am tired. Brushing my teeth will help me wake up very quickly today. Please hurry up, because the yellow school bus arrives very soon. I will clean my teeth fast to catch the yellow bus. I need to find my small white tube of toothpaste now. The bright bathroom lights are making me feel very dizzy today. I will just reach out my hand blindly onto the tray. My fingers are searching for the smooth white tube right here. I can feel a long white tube on the counter tray. This must be my favorite sweet toothpaste for the morning routine. The time constraint is real, so we must move very fast. I am in a big hurry, so I will skip looking. Opening this white tube is very easy, even with closed eyes. The bathroom counter is full of different white plastic bottles today. I am holding the open nozzle directly above my blue toothbrush bristles. A small squeeze will bring out the perfect white cream paste. Everything is completely fine, because I know my morning routine well. Wow, this white cream is spreading very fast onto bristles. This paste looks very fluffy and large on my blue toothbrush. I will put this fluffy white foam inside my mouth now. The taste of this morning paste is very weird and funny.
Oh no! There are huge white bubbles expanding everywhere suddenly.
The fluffy white shaving foam is covering my entire chin layout. I see the red label says, "This is shaving cream instead." I made a very silly mistake because my eyes were closed.
Why is my thick white shaving cream all over your face? Let us turn on the silver water tap to clear soap.
I am rinsing my mouth with the clean, cold water now.
The big white bubbles are washing down the sink drain safely. Your chin is completely clean, and the soap is gone now.
My face is clean, and order is restored in the bathroom.
You must read the red label constraints carefully every morning.
I am putting the correct green toothpaste onto my blue brush.
Now you are cleaning your teeth the correct way for school.
Great job! Because now we can win the school morning race. Check the labels on tubes carefully before brushing your teeth.